What up? It's your boy Big Stoney back again with another video. Big boy with the bandana, your lovable marsupial, your gently grizzly bear, all that good stuff. Now you might see, Kinfolk is not here today, so we got Miss Felicia in the building. Y'all clap it up, yeah. So Kinfolk Nick sends his regard. You know what I'm saying? He's in the studio right now, making bangers right now. I went over to the studio just to see how he was doing because of all what's going on right now. But yeah. He's doing good. He told me to give y'all a shout out to what's up to everybody. So yeah, let's get into it. Miss Felicia.
Yeah.
We gonna let the credits roll. We're gonna let the intro go real quick.
Now who that is right there? Kinfolk. 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 Kinfolk.
Yeah, that's mine.
Kinfolk.
Yeah, she mine.
Kinfolk.
Yeah, she mine.
Kinfolk.
Alright, Miss Felicia, we back again, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna do a snack crate. You know what I'm saying? You see it in my channel, snack crate, you know. But I tell you, guess what we got right here? Oh, it don't have nothing this time. Usually it will say like something else plus my name. So like it will say like hi in that language. So we can get a clue of what's gonna be in the box.
So we have no clue on
No
the day
clue.
I decided to do this.
No clue. So Miss Felicia, tell them about yourself, what you doing now. Because you seen a couple of videos and she be in the background, but she right here live action right now. So tell me about yourself, Miss Felicia.
Oh, I just own Round Talent Agency and Rad Culture Magazine. I'm a 15 published model. I'm a cancer survivor.
Yes.
I run FabFitCC2 and I'm a certified fitness and nutrition specialist and certified personal trainer. And I'm gonna be a certified makeup artist shortly. So
yeah, she got me eating them greens too. You know?
I do.
But you know,
but we're gonna eat something else than healthy.
I was gonna. I thought I was like, eat something. All right. I know. I thought you was gonna talk about your garden.
Well, those are part of my superfoods.
Yeah,
but you're
that's
used
tough.
to eating combinations of my
Yeah.
superfoods. Now I'm gonna eat your learning.
All right, here we go. We're gonna get in the box. We got the keys right here. You know what I'm saying? And then the slide. Ooh, that slide right there. That bounce with me. You know what I'm saying? I got the music playing. I don't know what's playing right now, but it sounds live though. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna pan it out to them first. See what they get to see first.
Get to see first.
They get to see first. What's in there? I just see boxes.
Oh, a card fell out. Oh,
Card fell out.
Korean.
Ooh, oh.
Is it gonna be spicy? Oh my god! Look at that.
That's tight.
That is super tight.
Look at that. Got the little insides right there. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. We got another camera down here for
Fun
us.
fact.
So what you gonna do? You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna pick out the snack and you gonna read the details about them.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Well, try one of the Crown's 4 very best
What's
crunchy.
the name? It's
Magu Mangu.
Mangu.
Mangu. So this is one of the Crown's 4 best crunchy snacks.
Ooh, okay.
Enjoy either the Shanging, Jolly Pong, churro, or corn chip. Kind of pretty.
Jesus.
Is it sweet? Okay. They have sesame seeds.
Got sesame seeds on there.
They do.
You got what's the beauty mode?
Oh, yeah.
Got sesame seeds. Thank you.
I'm not smelling it.
That's sweet.
It tastes like a churro.
That should taste plain than a motherfucker.
It tastes like a diluted churro. Gummy grape.
Orion's jelly.
But it says my gummy grape. It's sweet, authentic grape flavored gummies that will surely satisfy your sweet tooth. This is not your typical gummy treat.
Ooh, you smell it?
Oh yeah.
Ooh, that grape is potent. Ooh, that smell like grape juice.
Very, yeah.
Following the camera. Shout out to Kinfolk.
And it's not your typical gummy. Yeah, those are pretty good.
Fire. Forgot to tell you, if we like the same thing, we gotta say Kinfolk.
Kinfolk.
Ooh, that was good.
It was butter waffle. This is a butter waffle. Everything you love about a waffle smothered in butter, but this version is made to take you on the go. Try this crunchy snack with your breakfast.
Like coffee or milk or something.
Maybe.
That was good. It look like little biscuits.
Oh, look how cute.
They look like waffle biscuits.
They do. I know, come on.
This is it.
It smells like a wafer.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
That's not bad.
It's like the sugar waffle cone.
Yeah.
That's what it tastes like.
Well, you get ice cream or something in it?
Cocoa pie. These marshmallow pies are adored by all Koreans. They're regularly smuggled into North Korea where they are as good as cow.
Look like a moon pie.
It does, It is moon pie.
That's good moon pie. Let's take a quick pause and shout out to Mr. Kurt over here letting use his facilities.
Coral Bean Cafe.
Coral Bean Cafe out here on Saratoga, past Saratoga, Staples, Yorktown. If you went to Alamo Draft House, you went too far.
For sure.
But come through, so my man, so some support. Holla at Mr. Kurt. He'll get your coffee needs and everything.
Yes.
Oh, you got Oldham green teas?
Yes.
Yeah.
And the botanical berry bliss.
I haven't tried that one. My favorite one was the vanilla latte. Woo.
Yagwa?
Yagwa.
Yagwa? The most traditional Korean cookie made of honey, flour, and toasted rice. You are sure to find this snack during any holiday celebration in Korea.
This is packing paper. You put this in your packing when you packing with the peanuts. Look how I feel it. That's weird. And this is a can.
Toasted rice, flour, and honey.
I don't see no rice.
So I think that is the rice, these little things.
Oh, it's sticky, icky.
It is.
You know when you get that good kush, you fill it apart and got that little sticky. Her face. I'm scared to try it now. It's good.
It tastes like styrofoam.
Yeah. No, a bunch of you Karens are like that. Custard cake.
It's a light sweet sponge cake filled with a rich creamy custard. It's popular among Korean dessert snacks that they enjoy any time of the day.
Get some.
Oh, it does taste like a sponge cake. Needs a little bit more sugar.
The inside is bland, but that sponge cake is really
We're
good.
good, yeah.
That hit.
It's soft and then chewy, coffee flavored cookie with chunks of chocolate chips and cream cheese, a sweet and decadent filling.
Protein cookies or something.
Oh, they do.
It tastes like that.
It tastes like a protein cookie.
Dry ass cookie.
Potato sticks. Thin, crunchy sticks flavored with butter, salt to taste. They're undeniably delicious baked potatoes that you can't stop at.
You better have some seasoning in the summer. Look like a pretzel.
Yours looks different. Oh,
Huh?
well, yours looks different, and then I turned mine over. Here we go.
Look. Can't try the next one. Ugh. It's bland. I don't taste no potato.
Smell it. It smells sweet.
You smell something else.
It doesn't taste like a potato.
It's like a failed meat. It's really ramen.
Poochoo, poochoo. Poochoo, poochoo, poochoo. Don't cook it. It's a favorite Korean snack. Involves crunching the noodles in a bag and then covering the noodles and its flavoring that's included. So crunch it in the bag or
Pushy. Push it real. Uh-oh, we want to cover it. So you go like this?
yeah, and it says you crunch the noodles in the bag and then you cover the noodles and the flavoring that's included.
That's ramen. That's...
It says don't.
Take it up. Shake. This on. So it's supposed to be like chips or something?
I guess they eat it this way instead of.
I knew a homeboy used to eat shit like this. Get the ramen and eat it like this. No. I almost cooked my damn clavicle. Hell nah. Pedro.
Pedro white cookie. It's a crunchy biscuit stick dipped in creamy white chocolate and covered in small cookie crumbles. You can't get enough of this Korean classic. Oh, I think I've had these. These are these right here dipped in chocolate.
It made it better.
Sorry.
You need like a couple of them to get the flavor.
Maybe put them in the refrigerator so they're a little cold when you buy them. You know what I mean?
Yeah. These are the Reese's Stones.
So this is carbonated milk beverage with a hint of juice peaches. I can't try that one.
Wow.
I'm allergic to peaches. I don't know if it has like real peach flavor, you think?
I don't know. Yeah. Hey, that ain't bad. I thought it was gonna taste like milk, but it's like a peach juice.
Yeah.
Like,
It's a carbonated milk beverage.
It's just like it's punches of peaches. It was like everywhere in there. Origami, because it was part of the packaging, I guess.
Take a square paper and fold it down the line. You're gonna take glue. I'll do it. So we're gonna do this. I did this once with my stepson.
Okay. That's what's up.
But I can't remember already. We watched a YouTube video and did it step by step. Okay, so we did that. Now complete 2 step
I got
1.
so you gotta cut it.
Just fold them without lines and then. Oh, so 2 of these?
Oh, okay. Yeah, 2.
Okay.
So we got 2 completed
Yeah.
like this.
Yeah, fold the corner. Is it like that? It's like that.
Girl, hold on.
Oh, sorry.
You're going too bad.
But it's already looking pretty cool.
I look terrible. This is what I got so far. Is that right?
Yeah. And then you stack them like this, so they look like that.
Bam.
Boom. Okay, so now start with the top corner and fold down. Which one's the top one? I guess we'll
Okay.
continue folding clockwise.
Yeah.
Okay, so I fold all. Okay, now you tuck the last corner under the first.
Okay.
Okay.
That like button.
Yeah, hit that like button because I don't know what I'm like. I think I messed up.
It's supposed to be a box.
It is a box like this, but it's saying to fold the last. I did it.
Oh, I'm like you were surprised. Did it?
I did it.
Now I'm gonna take a picture of it and I'm gonna have it up right here, and I'm gonna put my Instagram right here on my Facebook and send me these pictures. You know what I'm saying? See what y'all did too as well.
Yeah.
It don't look like that.
It looks like that,
No, it don't. It's got a circle in the middle.
dude. It's 'cause what do you mean?
Look at that circle in the middle, like square.
Oh, then I just pull it out.
We
did it.
No, she did. I made a nunchuck though. Look at that. I made a nunchuck. No! All right, y'all. That was it. That was Korea. Super dope. Only a couple of things you like. What was your favorite?
This one.
Yeah, Kinfolk. That was good. That was good.
This one's gonna get the flavor of all the other ones out.
Yeah, 'cause all the other ones is
I know I asked.
bland like jam.
I think we're used to like our way has a lot of like processed sugars and things. Yeah. So
Yeah,
like
seasoning.
Yeah.
We call it seasoning.
We want,
Process.
you know.
This kind of tastes like potato chips, but nah. This milky stuff was okay.
I guess so.
Yeah. But yeah. Anything else you want to say?
Well, just thank you for having me.
Okay, that's what's up.
Yeah.
All right, but yeah, thank you, Miss Felicia, being here on my side right here. It's always it's your lovable marsupial, your gently grizzly bear, and all that good stuff. We out. Peace. See you next time.